school art classes. Today we will speak about Dream City, directions, walls, buildings. She is Lalə, İsmayılova, and our English teacher. And I am Cahid Hüseynov, also I am the English teacher of Museum.
Core principles of STEM and STEAM, let's say, or STEM plus A. And just one thing I want to mention that STEM or STEAM, it doesn't mean that it's a new brand subject or it's a new brand methodology. As you know, STEM and STEM A+ is the integral part of the education and education methodologies. And I'm pretty sure about it that everyone can apply all STEM or STEM plus A principles in her or his methodology or subjects, etc. So I don't want to extend my opinions about STEM or STEM plus A, so I want to start immediately. Yes, today we are going to discuss about our dream city. It's our topic. So in your classes you can mention the topic to your children at the same time. And today we are going to go on with the PPP principle. As you know, PPP is the presentation, practice, and production. So it's common. And first of all, I just want to elicit the vocabulary of the places in a town. But from the interactive point of view, I'll ask you. So, and I'm sure that you will join me. So let's begin. So in your classes, if you don't have active board or smart board, you can use flashcards as well. So I think that flashcards work in the classes. You can use flashcards, so you can print the places in a town or the directions, and you can show and you can elicit with the flashcards too. But today we are going to work on the smart board. I'll ask you, I'm so sorry because I don't know your names.
Around town.
Okay. So, first of all, I will just choose you randomly. I just want you to join me, okay? Let me start with you. First of all, what's your name? Narmi. So you may sit. So, could you please name it?
Home.
Home or
House.
House.
Building.
House. Right, you are. Great. And you, please, what's your name? Ivan. Don't stand up, please. Okay. So could you please name it? In a town, in a city, countryside, houses, or
Neighborhood.
neighborhoods. Yes, can be, of course, in the countryside we can have neighborhoods as well. So, and what about this one? Please, you, what's your name? Building, or could you please tell me apartment in American English? Great. Flat, great. Okay.
Block of flats.
Block of flats, or you can call it block of apartments, you can call it. Okay. So, street, great. Yes. Avenue. Okay, sometimes why not? We can use it. Street. Okay. So you please. Square. Yard.
Square.
Yes, square. So who can name the famous square in Great Britain? Trafalgar Square. Yes, great. You are great. Okay, what about this one? Circle? It's in the shape of circle?
Intersection.
Game intersection? I don't think that it's an intersection. It's roundabout. Yes, maybe. Let's see. Oh, sorry.
Roundabout.
Yeah. Okay. So, and what about this one?
School.
School and school, and in front of the building we have got a special basketball pitch, kindergarten, court,
School.
school, yeah. And what about this one? Who wants to answer? Olympic club, maybe? Gym? Okay.
Sports center.
Sports center or gym. In American English, it's common to use gym. What about this one? Swimming pool. Swimming pool. Yeah.
Swimming pool.
Yes, you're right. What about this one? Olympic stadium. Okay.
Stadium.
Stadium. So, who can tell me the famous stadium in Azerbaijan? Baku Olympic Stadium, or a stadium named after Tawfiq Bahram, right? Okay, great. What about this one? Supermarket. Okay, we can have supermarkets here, or shopping center. Modern day mall. Mall, yes, it's too popular.
Shopping center.
Shopping center, mall. So, cinema, yes. Movie theater, that's possible.
Cinema.
Or movie theater, you can use. And what about this one? Bowling. Bowling alley.
Bowling alley.
Yeah. Hospital.
Hospital.
Chemist. Drugstore.
Chemist.
Chemist, pharmacy, drugstore. So when you were teaching places in a town or in a sentence or anywhere in the word, you need to explain the directions as well. As you know, in modern world, as a tourist, we go somewhere and we need to learn the directions. So I've got a new slideshow for you. So if you want, okay. So I will let you know where I can, so you can have this slide at the end of the lesson. So let's continue. Go straight on. So it's too easy. You just go straight on. So I don't know if you want to join me or not for teaching the vocabulary. So the best way is to make children to drill the words. For example, you tell the word, go straight on. After you can make your students to drill this word or verb phrases 3 times, or maybe their English level is too strong. They can drill it for 2 times, etc. After you, of course. Okay, what do you think about this one? Turn left, yes? And this one? Turn right. Turn right, great. So these 3 phrases are the core phrases for the directions. Go straight on, turn left, or turn right, okay? And if they want to ask about a place in a town or a place in a city, they need to know the question as well. For example, how do I get to the police station? Let's practice it. So imagine that you are here and you want to go to the police station. How can you direct? Let's work in pairs. Pairs, let's see, Miss you and Miss you. You are a pair. So you are asking me the same question, and your partner will direct you. To make the students to ask the question, could you please read the question and ask your partner? Yes?
Go straight, turn right, again go straight, then turn left, and thus you will see it's a police station.
How do I get to the post in
Let's change the police station, replace it with the other one.
petrol station?
Petrol station. Okay. Could you please direct? You're here. Go.
Go straight.
Go straight on. And left or right?
Left.
So she wants to go to Paddy's petrol station. No, that's not a petrol station. I'm sorry. This one. That's a repair center.
You know, right or left. So just some verbs are important for today's subject. You know, that's right and that's left. Turn right, turn left, go straight, on. These are clean. So, you see some papers, some quiz, some
Stencils or
Pen and-
sticks.
pencils on your table. First, our teacher showed us some books, some buildings in this city. That's your city, your dream city. And you have to prepare some buildings from that papers. You will cut them, you will make the buildings, and that is forex for your city or your blocks, your buildings. Okay, this group from that place, this group here, that group here. Now, you will get marks. Okay, for design of building, design or color or in other visual. Don't open them. Just you have to make buildings from that paper. After that, we will count it, and you will make your city here. Then we have got make block and blocks. These are make block and block. These are robots. Okay. Then after that, you will prepare these, and they will follow the line of your city. Okay, great.
You can download, you can use tons of materials in this teacher-friendly sites. isolcollective.com, twinkle.co.uk, and teacherspayteachers.com. So yes, so you need to pay for the marvelous ones, but you can download free materials too, especially with in teacherspayteachers.com. Okay, you just need to make an account and you just need to download what you want. And in your lessons you can use for the lesson plans, for the presenting, for PPTs, etc. You can use this website. Okay.